So today in this project, we are going to build a smart Wi-Fi LED control dashboard using an ESP32. First of all, let's see all the components required for this project. Here I have an ESP32 board, a breadboard, multiple LEDs, jumper wires. अब सबसे पहले we will place all the LEDs onto the breadboard properly. After that, we will start making the connections. For wiring, I am using male to female jumper wires. And all the LEDs are connected to the ESP32 GPIO pins according to the code. So now I will open Arduino IDE, and this is the code that we are going to upload into the ESP32. After opening the IDE, first select the board, then choose ESP32 dev module, and after that select the correct COM port. And now connect the USB cable to the ESP32 and simply click on upload. Once the uploading process is completed, open the serial monitor, then press the reset button on the ESP32 one time. Simply copy the IP address and paste it into any web browser on your phone or PC, and boom, you will see the smart LED control dashboard. Now you can control all the LEDs wirelessly through your browser. So yeah, that's the complete project. Hope you like it.